Hello, myself Kea Bhattacharya. I am the co-owner of Loknath Medicare and Loknath Doctors Chamber. Here, like all other doctors' chamber, we have been maintaining and register book where appointments, daily appointments, even weekly appointments, even monthly appointments are written down thoroughly. It was being done by our receptionist, but we find that it proved to be a tireless job. They used to do it, but people used to think that we are favoring some of the patients. Their names are coming before their names. So naturally, this created a lot of confusion. We were thinking of a way to solve this problem. At that time, the Care Clues PMS, they actually contacted us with their app. This app is actually meant for the smooth running of such doctors' chambers like us. Now, previously, for this appointment, we used to have a register book where we used to write the names, and accordingly, we had to see on first come, first serve basis, the patients were given appointment. But this created a lot of problem, as I said. It is helpful not only for the patients whom we want to be very comfortable, will come at time, consult with the doctors in time, and then go home without spending hours and hours sitting at the doctor's chamber, because we know that time is valuable for all the people. So naturally, we do not want them to unnecessarily wait in our doctor's chamber. So when Care Clues came with their app and they showed me the 3 stages in which this app can be very helpful, so we accepted it generously. The first stage is the stage about the patients, how it is helpful for the patients. One is the patient can download this app in their mobile phone. We all have a smartphone now. We can easily download this app. They can take the appointment of any doctors available over here in the time of their own choice. And there is also way by which they can cancel that appointment if they want. They have some prior work or suppose something crop up, so they can cancel that and reschedule that appointment. Another thing is they can book for consultation and follow up as they wish. Their prescription will be uploaded on the app so they can see it whenever they want it, which is helpful for the patient. Another thing is the patient, if suppose they take an appointment, SMS will go to them and they have to come at the doctor's chamber 10 minutes before their allotted appointment time. So in that way, they save their time, and also their name will be displayed in the board over here. So naturally, when it is displayed in the doctor's chamber, they are certain that they have an appointment now and they can visit the doctor in their own time. The next is it is helpful for the doctors also, because doctors are busy people. They can sometimes reschedule their time. They may be busy at the hospitals. So naturally, when the rescheduling is done, not only from the doctor's part it is rescheduled, for the patient also they will get the SMS for rescheduling, and the booking will be rescheduled for the next time. And then again, their consultation and follow up, everything regarding the patient is given in the app. So it's not possible for a doctor who is also a human being to know about all the patients all the time. Through this app, they can actually go through about each and every patient, their biodata, so that they can understand how to treat them. So that is also very important. Now I will be telling about how from the organization point of view it is helpful. First of all, if the patient gets the SMS, that SMS is also conveyed to us. We also know about their rescheduling, or say the day when it is the appointment is of that patient, that is also displayed in our organization. So that is helpful for us. And then when they are cancelling also, that also we get an SMS. number of phone call from our part is reduced, because previously, suppose if the doctor is 10 minutes to 30 minutes or 40 minutes late, all the patient had to wait. So then what is happening, there had to be a rescheduling of the time. So then we had to go on calling up all the patients so that they do not have to wait at the chamber for a long time. So that has been cut down. The second thing is, for us, the billing part has become easier. Then there is an auto appointment, so naturally no favoring anyone. From the management point of view, I can say that we also need sometimes break, we need to go outside this doctor's chamber, sometimes we need to visit some other place, but always we find that we will, from wherever in India, we can actually see what are the appointments, how it has been implemented, what are the appointments that has been cancelled. All this can be easily seen through this Care Clues app. So I find that using this app has helped a lot in our organization. I hope you follow up. Thank you.